Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, all of you. I'm Asita Prabhat Mandavarachi, PhD student from Rajarat University of Sri Lanka. My research topic is developing effective health communication package for the prevention of leishmaniasis in rural Sri Lanka. This is my outline of this presentation. An introduction. There is no media guideline in the world on how the media should behave in the pandemic. And also, in the study of literature, I could not find a guideline on how to handle the media in the emerging public health problem or public health disaster. There are three main categories of disease transmission: public health emergency, public health disaster, and a catastrophe. In these three cases, the media must function in three ways. There is a big gap between these three. The leishmaniasis explored in this study falls into the first category. It is an emerging public health problem. There is no guideline on how to handle these two, but WHO has been media guideline in the outbreak. This is world situation. But in Sri Lanka, I think very interesting topic is how the media should empower the rural community in the face of neglected health diseases or emerging public health problem like leishmaniasis. My main objective is to develop an effective health communication package to prevent from leishmaniasis in Sri Lanka. In addition, there are several specific objectives. Those are to examine quality of reporting of leishmaniasis, leptospirosis, and dengue articles published in Sri Lankan Sinhala newspapers, to describe community-preferred communication channels, techniques, and materials for health information, to describe community perception on existing communication channels and materials to prevent leishmaniasis, and finally, to develop and test a mass communication package to increase public awareness of leishmaniasis. The research method of this study can be described under the main three components: media analysis, ethnographic studies, and exploratory trial. This is my study plan. An exploratory trial is created according to the inputs received from study component 1 and study component 2. And the communication package is designed and tested on it. The media study will be conducted in the three main stages: content analysis, cognitive evaluations, and journalist interview. The research methodology has been designed to cover the key role of communication process: communicator, message, and receiver. In this research, the study will be conducted by these three places. The message will be include the content analysis of the newspaper articles, journalist interviews to study the role of communicator, and cognitive evaluations to study the feedback of the reader. The data obtained from the content analysis based on the computer-aided research and media analysis methodology. In cognitive evaluations, newspaper readers' feedback is obtained from 5 interactive workshops, and its data is analyzed by a thematic analysis method. Semi-structured interviews are used in journalist interviews, and that data is also analyzed by the thematic analysis method. Study 2 is ethnography study. There are participatory observation, diary study, and focus group discussion are conducted during data collection. Study setting in participatory observation is Sudarshanagama Gram Niladhari division, which belong to Padaviya Divisional Secretariat in Anuradhapura district in Sri Lanka. Data collection is based on the field notebook and analyzed the data on thematic analysis method. Focus group discussions There will be 5 focus group discussions according to the gender, education level, occupation, socio-economic background, and age are taken into the consideration in selecting members. The interview method is used as a data collection tool, and the data is also analyzed through thematic analysis method. In the diary study, diaries are given to 10 selected individuals according to the gender, education level, occupation, socio-economic background, and age taken into the consideration of selection criteria. And data is also analyzed according to the thematic analysis method. Finally, an exploratory trial is then performed according to the input received from study component 1 and study component 2. I will hope to publish 4 papers in the publication of academic research papers. Those are protocol paper, media analysis paper, ethnography study paper, and exploratory trial paper. At the same time, I hope to publish the additional research letter on health communication challenges during the COVID-19 in rural Sri Lanka. Progress of my studies are the concept paper has been submitted and currently writing a detailed proposal, and data collection related to study 1 and study 2 has been started. It's been 2 months now, and 10 people in the field have been given diaries and are monitoring their writing. Insight of this research, according to the participatory observation, although there are many insights, I will present only one narrative due to lack of time. If there is score like leishmaniasis, they show it to a CAG member before going to the hospital and ask information. Then after they go to the hospital and so doctors and get the treatment, after the CAG member informed to me about that. Thank you for listening carefully to my presentation. Thank you so much.